not where you want to have a mistake.
This is the start of a 10 rated trail called War Machine. Check it out.
That belly width is so narrow. Yep. Dropping off that next section don't look very fun either. Big. You can't tell how high up this is. Down there is where we just were. Way down there. This is big. dun. Start turning driver a little bit.
A little bit driver. A little bit more driver. A little bit more driver. You're up.
There it is.
Driver. There you go. Perfect. You need to touch the rail.
He's got an edge, so it's got it's got really good pitch.
Yeah, it does. Wow.
What a
Anxious to see
spot.
what happens as he-
My goodness. Wow.
And you got the portal love rock right there.
Yeah, I can see we got clearance issues there. The rest of us,
Yeah.
we'll make it. He ain't got that much room. Wow. Yeah, Woody.
Nice line.
Dang. There's the portal
Look
love
at
rock.
it.
There's
Look at
portal.
that.
There's
Like
portal line right there.
4 or 5 inches of
Perfect. Keep turning driver. It'll unload it. There you go. Straighten the rear a little bit. Good save.
Nice.
Thank you for the assist.
Don't lose it. Don't lose it. Good save. Good save. Back tire's pinching. That's good. That's perfect. You're ready to delock right. I can smell it. Loose steer a little bit. There you go. For the win.
So I'm kind of nerding out right now because that's Glen Plake. And Glen Plake, I know he's been into four-wheeling, he was in Truck Night in America, but that's not why I'm nerding out, is because I actually used to watch the Warren Miller films, and he's like one of the best skiers in the world. So I used to dork out because I grew up in Colorado and I used to snowboard a lot. He always talked trash about snowboarders, so I loved it because he could back it up. You know, he was amazing skier. All right, so we ran War Machine. That's a 10 rated trail. They're saying it was 11 and easy today because we got wet dirt, wet sand. It's been raining a bunch lately.
That's a hawk.
You're fine. That's perfect line. Perfect line. Keep going.
Hollie's in her power pose, full spotter stance. What are we running today, Hollie?
We're running Double Sammy,
Do you think that means 2 sandwiches? Or do you think it means 2 samurais?
dos samuricherais. I don't know what that was.
We'll edit that, maybe.
Maybe. We're doing that, and then we're gonna head on to the Milts Mile, which is really 1.9 miles, so it's not really a mile. I think the first cut was a mile, but now it's like 1.9 miles.
Neat.
So really, Milts, 1.9 miles.
Oh, we're getting a Hollie dance. Ding, ding,
Okay,
ding,
Pope,
ding,
I'm headed your way.
ding,
What
ding,
line are you taking, Pope? You drag hard here. Good. Faster hard. Nice job, man.
Good job building a strong hitch,
All right,
Jeep.
dominate this.
You can do it.
You can do it.
So we're here on Double Sammy.
Yeah.
And Glen says we gotta run this little bonus line. We're gonna call this thing Glen's Crack.
I don't know if that's it, but I don't see a lot of tracks on this, and it's a really fun little run up this creek here. It's like, actually I should probably call it Broken Chain Light, because broken chain's right over there.
Yeah.
So anyways, yeah, we'll see how it goes.
We'll call it Glen's Broken Chain.
Okay, that's work. All right, we're gonna have some fun here.
All right, Glen's Broken Chain. Went up Glen's Crack.
Yep, and then he came this way, look, and he took it to...
And he thought he was just coming over here to park.
Yeah, he came over here to park,
And then there's this death hole that came out of nowhere.
and in he went.
And it caught.
Parking brake was still on.
Happens to all of us. Fortunately, I was able to shoot up here with that Freedom Winchline. We were able to get him back over. We pulled the plugs and didn't even have oil, so win there. Once again, fastest, safest. Good deal. There it goes. Let it climb, it's fine. It's fine, that's a good spot. There it is. Nice.
Good. Keep coming. Keep coming. Keep coming. Keep coming. Keep coming. Keep coming. Keep coming.
There it is.
BleepinJeep is a force to be reckoned with, acknowledges.
There it
Over
is.
here. That's it. You're gonna crawl now.
Nice. Hollie's back with CO2.
CO2.
And now she's gonna climb this rock and make everyone look like poo-poo
Poo poo.
as she runs up the rock with the greatest of ease.
Not today. Cause there's so many eyeballs on me.
There we go.
It's actually made it really far with no lockers.
Is this the end?
Almost.
Almost. Okay.
You totally got me missing my mouth. I went like this and all of it went down. Just call me classy.
I ran Double Sammy. We were fortunate enough to have Glen give us a little side tour. Yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
Hollie and Colts off-road recovery.
It's called Coley.
Coley.
Coley?
Better look out. Matt's off-road recovery, guys.
We're coming after you.
We're taking over the Sand Hollow recoveries. Anyway, if you guys like this video, check these out. Thanks.